I knew it was a dog.
What else?
That's it.
That's all I have.
Is he the cutest little thing? Isn't he cute? He's really cute. Andrew, you want to hold him? He's a real puppy. Don't be really careful with him because he's so small. How old is he? He's little. He's only like, he just is turning 8 weeks. I knew it was going to be a puppy. I knew it. I was so excited. I was like, please let it be a puppy. Dad hasn't met him yet either. What do you think, Andrew? Is he just what you wanted?
Yeah.
What did you ask for?
A puppy.
What kind of puppy?
A puppy that the mommy's not allergic to.
That's a good kind of puppy. Of course.
Okay.
You can hold him by yourself too.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Isn't he sweet? He's just a little snuggler.
Can I snuggle?
Yeah, of course. Oh. What are we gonna name him? That's something we have to kind of figure out. Let Andrew hold him for a minute. Hold him, Bubba. He's really light. Yeah, hold underneath of him. There you go. What do you think, buddy? I'm not taking a picture, I'm taking a video. He's so cute. Can I hold him again? You can put him down. He can actually walk too. He doesn't like to walk though. He actually cries until you pick him up. He does not like.
Serious?
He does not like to walk. If you walk out of the room, he'll start crying.
Aw, so cute.
So, who's the best mom and dad ever?
Yeah.
You too. So we really had no choice to get him tonight?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Unless I kept him in the basement.
Did
till
you put
Christmas.
that on the shelf there?
Which I could have done because he's very, very, very lazy.